Hi guys, in this channel, we have already shown various creative opening tutorials. Well, today, we bring you a new form of expression, the film reel opening. You can achieve this opening effect using very basic features and overlay materials. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a software. Create a new project. Import all the videos and overlay materials together. I will share all the overlay materials used in this tutorial in the fan club. Feel free to join and get them. Now, let's start by creating the effect for the first part. Drag the video onto the video track. Adjust the duration. Then, find the color icon in the toolbar and click it to adjust the color. Select the mono filter on the left side of the interface. Adjust some detail parameters on the right side. Click Apply to apply adjustment. In Inspector, reduce the opacity value appropriately. Next, find this icon and click it to add several overlay tracks. Drag the texture materials and film borders to different overlay tracks. Adjust the duration to align with the video. Then, we go to the Transform section in the Inspector and click Hide to make them fill the screen. You may notice that the original image is obscured, so we go to the Compositing and select the Color Dodge Blend mode for the texture material. Finally, open the Title panel in the upper left corner. Choose a preset you like, and drag it to the subtitle jack. Adjust the duration to match and then add the text content in the Inspector. Select the appropriate font from the font list. Adjust the position. And click Edit Text to open the animation panel on the left side. Choose the fading preset. And click Apply to return to the main interface. Next is the effect for the second part, the Hello text. Click the text icon in the toolbar. We go to the Inspector to quickly perform some basic text editing. After completing the editing, you will have larger text with wider spacing. Click the camera icon above the preview window to capture a screenshot of the current text. Import the image into the software. Drag another video onto the video track. Adjust the duration. Drag the text image into the timeline. Align it with the video. Continue to edit in Inspector. First, add a fade out effect in the Fade and Move area for smoother results. Scroll down and click Hide to make it fit to the screen. Most importantly, go to the Compositing area and add a Darken Blend mode for the Hello text effect. To maintain the style from the previous part, we extend the duration of the film border material. Then, we use the Ctrl+C to copy the texture material, and use Ctrl+V to paste it behind. Reselect the Lighten Blend mode. Now, we drag the remaining video materials onto the video track. Arrange them in a certain order on different tracks. Adjust their durations to make them appear sequentially. Let's start by adding the glitch transition effect. Open the Effects panel in the upper left corner. Find the Disturb effect. Drag it to the effect track and align it with the end of the second video. Define its application scope in Inspector by unchecking Canvas and checking only the video materials. Continue to open the Transitions panel and find this transition effect. drag it between the two materials and adjust the duration for grid transition. Next, select the video on the video track. Click the motion icon to add its animation. At the first frame, we add a keyframe. Adjust the box to make the entire image smaller. Move the playhead to create a second identical keyframe without adjustments. We create a third keyframe and adjust the box to make the entire image larger. Add a speed down speed curve for it. Move forward to create a fourth keyframe. This time, adjusting a box to fill the entire screen. Add a speed up curve for it. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Next, select the video on the overlay track to add its animation. At the first frame, we add a keyframe, adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then, move to create a second identical keyframe. Add a speed curve for this keyframe. Return to the first keyframe and move the box downward to exit the frame. This completes the effect quickly. Then we click Apply to return to the main interface. Repeat the same motion editing for the remaining materials. Remember to drag the overlay materials onto the timeline in sequence. In addition to basic editing, remember to add a lighten blend mode to adjust the overlay material. Add the same zoom animation effect for the film scroll material. Finally, add appropriate music and sound effects to match your visuals, and your film reel opening is complete. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you have more editing tricks you'd like to see, don't forget to leave us a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. And hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye bye!